Welcome back. In this remarkably short session, this actually covers 2 ACS, or Airman Certification Standards. They're important, so let's get started. We will touch upon see and avoid other aircraft and hazards, and yielding right-of-way to other aircraft. All small unmanned aircraft must yield right-of-way. They may not pass over, under, or ahead of it. By now you should know that you need to remain clear of other aircraft. A small unmanned aircraft must remain clear of and yields to all other aircraft, obviously. As the remote pilot in command or visual observer, you need to practice see and avoid. That is your responsibility. As you already know, it is also your responsibility to know the location and flight path of the small UA at all times.